If you want to upload CSV file on Salesforce, then here's what you're going to do. The most common built-in tool is the Data Import Wizard. First, you're going to prepare your CSV. You're going to ensure that your CSV headers are clean and that data format, such as dates, numbers, aligns with your Salesforce locale settings. Now, from here, you're going to navigate to Setup. You can do so by clicking on the settings icon right here at the top right corner of your screen. You're just going to select Open Advanced Setup. Now, from the Advanced Setup page, you're going to search here in the quick find Data Import Wizard. So you will be able to find it there. Just make sure that you type in the correct words or the correct letters. There are no typos, and then you'll be able to see it under the integrations section. Now from there, you're just going to click on import my data, and then this one is actually just a tutorial, but you don't need to watch that anymore. You're just going to click on start, and then from there, you're going to select what you want to import. So for example, we want to import leads. We're going to select next, and then from there, we're just going to select individuals or whatever applies best to you. And then here you have I have a .csv file. You're going to click on that and then click on next. After that, you're just going to upload your files right here. You're going to select the CSV file that you want to import. For this one, I'm going to select this one and then click on open. After that, you're going to click on next, and then Salesforce is going to automatically scan your document, and then it will import it to this field. Just make sure once again that your headers are clean and that the data format aligns with your Salesforce locale settings. And that's it. That is how you can upload CSV file on Salesforce. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.